Hello and welcome back to another episode. Welcome to what I did for the last week and a half. Now, this currently is back in the car. This isn't how you saw it last time, and now we have an intake and an exhaust. So let me run you guys through what I just did for the last week and a half and how you guys should give this a crack as well. Also, our screamer setup and how, well, even we don't know how it's going to sound. Last time we spoke, none of this existed, so I've just gone ahead and made a hotside from scratch. Everything I did here was done in this shop. I'll run you guys through it, but first we'll pull this manifold off and I'll show you exactly what it is and why this is going to sound totally different to anything else you've ever heard before. Alright, so what is this manifold? Well, this is a twin scroll manifold, so 2 wastegates. Why have we done that? Well, in case I wanted to run a twin scroll turbo later. So we've gone through to all the effort now to make sure that no matter what, we're going to be set for the future. So all I did was I got the RB flange and the T3 flange. Everything else we made in-house here. So you can see, well, obviously I bought all the bends, but all the welding, all the everything, even the collectors. So we made those from scratch. I'll chuck up a couple of pictures here. And you guys can do this too at home. I mean, I'm pretty dusty on a TIG. I haven't used it for a long time, and the bits that I couldn't get, I just MIG'd. It's actually not that bad. So this is going to sound pretty crazy, I think. Well, at least I'm hoping so. It needs a few more welds. It's nearly done, but I thought I'd give you guys an update. This took me, no joke, like a whole week. So there is a lot of work in it, but you know, you could just go out and buy a 6 boost, or you can put the time and effort in to do it yourself. I know it fits my build. I know it fits the car. I know it's going to work. It clears the dry sump. I mean, it's kind of like a peace of mind thing as well. So overall, that's where I've been spending a lot of time. We've also gone ahead and got the intake done. So Jordan, I would tag him, but he won't actually sell anything to you after the whole dry sump debacle. He helped me machine up that drive-by-wire throttle body. So now all that actually fits and is on the car. We still need to make a couple of other things on our wish list, but I'll get back over there. We'll show you guys these wastegates. We'll update our wish list, and this is a little update video. So it's not that big of a video, but I appreciate you guys watching anyway.
Say it hurts to live this way. I don't mind the pain, and I like to feel the shame of it.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I've certainly never seen stainless square tubing used as a screaming pipe. So this is going to be a bit interesting. I had the idea the other day. I was going to do an oval setup and out the bonnet. And I thought, you know what? Let's do something that, oh, well, I mean, I've certainly never seen it before. How do you guys think this is going to sound? Because we're not entirely sure. It could sound actually pretty cool or actually awful. But you're going to find out in a future episode of Pezomatic. Let's get to the outro. Let's get to the wish list, what we actually need to get this thing back up and running. Well, with our exhaust manifold and intake manifold ticked off the list, our wish list is actually getting shorter, although yep, more things are coming. So you're going to see those in future episodes of Pezomatic. We've still got things to aim for. We're not quite done with the build yet, but this revival is certainly well underway. Thank you guys very much for watching. Tell your mum to subscribe. I know she's been watching. And next time we'll have a bit bigger of an episode for you guys.